Tesla is rumored to be working on a smartphone model called the Model Pi that will be released in the near future. Here's what we know as well as what we don't. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. For this video, we will talk about the Tesla smartphone Model Pi features and insights. But before anything else, please leave a like on the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell down below so you won't miss our videos. Without any further ado, let's hop on right to the video. There have been rumors circulating on the internet that Tesla, the electric car firm, will start producing cell phones shortly. The rumor appears to be real for now. Musk is preparing to launch his smartphone under the well-known Tesla brand. The Tesla phone is expected to be called Model Pi or Model P, according to speculations. Let's talk about whether all these Tesla Model Pi smartphone rumors are accurate and what features can we anticipate from the smartphone. So, is Tesla actually launching a smartphone? The smartphone industry is currently ruled by Apple, Samsung, and Huawei. For people who wish to utilize a high-end phone, Samsung is the anti-iPhone. Furthermore, with the latest clamshell and other folding gadgets, Samsung is dominating the folding phone market. Now the question is whether the Tesla smartphone can outperform these well-known brands. Yes, it certainly can, if you ask us. The key reason for this is the world's richest man's brilliant mind. As per the information gathered, Elon Musk is really planning to enter the smartphone market. In an interview, Musk said, "Many smartphone software updates present problems for users, whether it be compatibility, speed, or security. Also, as an iPhone user, each update becomes less impressive for users." Additionally, designer Antonio De Rose made a model of a Tesla phone earlier this year. He and his colleagues unveiled a detailed rendering of what a Tesla smartphone could look like. As additional speculations emerge, the smartphone concept appears to be true. All of these facts and rumors imply that the Tesla Model Pi will be released. Let's take a look at the Model Tesla Pi smartphone's leaked features. When it comes to Tesla, you'd expect it to be filled with cutting-edge technology and amenities, and the rumored Tesla Model Pi is no exception. The Tesla phone, like the Tesla automobile, will be crammed with fascinating technology. Here are some of the features of the Tesla Model Pi. SpaceX Starlink Internet. Do you have any idea what Starlink is? It's a subsidiary of Space, a company co-founded by Elon Musk, the chairman and CEO of Tesla, a leading electric vehicle manufacturer. Starlink employs satellites to help give internet connection to rural and other low-density population areas that have been left behind in terms of technological advancement. Because Tesla is working to become an all-electric vehicle brand rather than limiting itself to cars like the Tesla Roadster, one of its first models, you may be able to sync your phone with not only other Tesla vehicles but also with Starlink, and download more data directly into your phone, car, or both. The Starlink integration will be the best feature of the Model Pi phone. SpaceX's Starlink satellite internet service will be compatible with the Tesla smartphone. High-speed internet will be provided directly from the satellite, even in remote areas. This smartphone speed will be unrivaled in the industry. Furthermore, we may use the phone on Mars and speak with individuals on Earth thanks to the Starlink connection. This will undoubtedly be the ideal complement to Tesla's devices. Neuralink. Neuralink is a feature that has the potential to make this smartphone a huge success. This is another Elon Musk firm that specializes in reading information from the human brain and using chips to help restore some brain functions. This will undoubtedly be a watershed moment for the smartphone industry. Consider how your phone may work if it receives signals from your brain. Isn't that incredible? Neuralink, on the other hand, is still a long way from making consumer-level brain-machine interface devices. In the smartphone, though, we should expect a different type of intriguing neurological integration. Tesla car linking. It should go without saying that the Tesla Model Pi smartphone will be able to communicate with Tesla vehicles. With the help of your phone, you'll be able to control your Tesla car. As a result, Model Pi will be able to lock and unlock your electric vehicle. Solar charging. Tesla phones will have built-in solar charging technology that will be amazing. All you have to do now is step outside to a sunny spot and your phone will be charged. At the very least, you won't have to look for charging connectors using this technology. Crazy specs. As a result, the Tesla Model Pi smartphone is likely to include a high-resolution 4K screen, a cluster of 4 cameras, and a 108-megapixel primary camera. It appears that you may be able to use both cameras at the same time. For example, one to take a photo and the other to take a video, or one to zoom in close and the other to zoom out. This feature will be a lot of fun for people. The Snapdragon 898 SoC CPU also powers the phone, which offers up to 2 TB of flash storage. In addition to satellite communication, the Model Pi is expected to include Wi-Fi and 5G capabilities. Crypto mining resources. Elon Musk is rumored to have stated that his Tesla smartphone will be capable of crypto mining Mars coins. We're not sure how it'll happen, but we believe in Elon Musk. Even if the Tesla Model Pi phone is able to connect crypto debit cards or services such as Lightning, its popularity may grow. Being able to use the phone for crypto mining resources is one of the biggest game changers in the industry, something that Elon Musk is very good at. Mining Mars coin and doing so using satellite communications could have significant consequences for the Tesla Model Pi. You might be able to mine additional POS and non-energy intensive POW cryptocurrencies using your phone. You might even use it to stake your chosen cryptocurrency without the need for other accounts. Consider how your phone and car communicate with one another. Your automobile will inform you whether you have received a portion of a block reward or how much staking fee you have earned. Let's consider one scenario. Almost everyone we know in crypto wants to break free from the shambolic legacy banking system that exists in the majority of countries. Imagine not having to use your debit or credit card while driving in your Tesla or simply out and about with your phone. Instead, you may pay with your Tesla wallet. There's no need for Apple Pay or Google Pay to keep your credit card details from leaking out or your identity from being stolen. It's something you can pay for with your cryptocurrency wallet. Alternatively, Tesla may opt to establish a Tesla Pay to compete with Apple Pay. And you know Tesla and Musk would make it enjoyable and simple to use, probably with Mars Coins reward points as well. Another example, crypto popularity might explode from where it is currently thanks to mining, payments, and possibly integration of other services like Lightning or crypto debit cards. All of these services are currently available. People use Crypto.com for debit cards, Figment for staking, Lightning for Bitcoin micropayments, Uniswap for trading, and PancakeSwap for farming. But they're all scattered. What if Tesla Model Pi only includes 2 or 3 of these services for people? What if crypto services were just that much easy to use and integrate? Tesla has their wallet and they want to use it. The use and adoption of cryptocurrency in the retail sector would soar. That's ordinary folks using technology in various ways. The speculated Tesla Model Pi smartphone is expected to include all of these capabilities. The corporation, however, has made no official announcements. We'll keep you updated on the Tesla Model Pi smartphone. Till then, do tell us about your thoughts on the Model Pi smartphone by commenting down below. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.